Yo guys, it's time to break these Air Jordan 11 Columbia, aka Legend Blues down today. And more importantly, man, we about to throw these things straight on feet. So before we get any further, I need everybody to run them likes. We're going to run the B-roll over these clean Air Jordan 11s. I love them, man. Had to double up on these guys. Yo, what's going on YouTube, man? Thank you guys so much for tapping into another video, man. It's always greatly appreciated, man. I'm gonna say thank you every opportunity I get, because without you guys, I wouldn't be where I am today. So I want to say thank you guys from the bottom of my heart. But if you guys are new here to the channel, you know what I'm saying, you're trying to see what these 11s hitting for on feet. You're trying to see a couple details around these Air Jordan 11 Legend Blues. Make sure you guys subscribe right now, hit the notification bell, and make sure you do your boy a favor and leave a huge like on today's video. We did an Air Jordan 11 debate yesterday, talking about all the OG Air Jordan 11 colorways, Cool Grays, Legend Blues, Space Jams, Bridge, Concords, and the comment section was crazy. So if you guys have not checked that video out, make sure you check it out. Good content, good vibes, good interaction in the comment section. If you want to be entertained with what some people think is the best Air Jordan 11 of all time, go check that video out, man. But on December the 14th, we will begin the release of these Air Jordan 11 Legend Blues. The last time these did release was back in 2014. I think it was 2014. It was the year I graduated high school, if I'm not mistaken, or it was 2013. One of the two. I'm gonna put the year up here, but just going based off of, you know, all the history behind this sneaker, the hype that it did have back in the day, it was crazy. And just to see how they are treated this year is kind of mind-blowing, but none the least. This is still one of the best Air Jordan 11 colorways of all time, in my opinion. Not trying to force them onto you guys, not trying to make you like them, but if you guys rocking out with them, if you're not rocking out with them, I need to see how y'all feeling about this upcoming Air Jordan 11. We seen their shop drop 2 weeks ago over the Legend Blues, and it didn't translate well. A lot of people were saying, you know, they ain't going for them, they're gonna wait, the retail tag is too high and all that good stuff. But at the end of the day, if these were to have, you know, been a retail tag of 200, you probably would still be spending around 230, which the increase of the retail tag plays a huge factor in that, if that makes sense. I hope I broke that down to you guys properly, because the retail tag is like 230. I got to pay like 254 after shipping and taxes on these guys. So if you are waiting to get these on the Nike Sneakers app, be prepared to spend around $240 and $250. And you still have an opportunity to enter for these on Flex, on Champs, Foot Locker, and stuff like that, DTLRs. Put in your raffles, put in your footwork. But I'm pretty sure a majority of the sneaker shops and the mom and pop shops that do get these Legend Blues will do a first come, first serve, because they are flooding the market with these. It's over 1 million pairs of these Legend Blue 11s. I'm all here for it. It's gonna make it easier for people that have waited 10 plus years for these to come out, to get these easily and you know, and very obtainable amongst all us sneakerheads. But I did want to touch up on a box right here. You guys can see you got your regular plain Jane Air Jordan 11 box with the Air Jordan up top, gray bottom, and the fish color reads Air Jordan 11 Retro, white, Legend Blue, and black. And I did get a size 9.5 in these. I went true to size. For like the last 4 or 5 years, I thought I was a size 9, but it just came to realization I'm actually a size 9.5. They fit perfect. So now I'm gonna tell you guys, go true to size 11s. They already do fit a little bit bigger than other silhouettes, but trust me, true to size, you'd be good to go. My favorite part about these Legend Blues is the all crispy white patent leather around them, and then on upper it is leather as well. You still got the mesh tongue going all the way up with your Jordan logo in the middle right there with that Legend Blue pop. Of course, you got your white rope laces in these, no extra laces. I cannot wait to see the homie Jay, see what he do with the lace swap, because I'm not too sure what other laces I would throw in here. But if I had to choose something, it'd probably be like black. I don't know, but I wouldn't do it anyways. White laces look good to me, and then flipping it to the outsole. Another staple part about these Legend Blues is, of course, the Legend Blue Icy outsole. And you guys know, bruh, they are going to yellow over time. That's why I tell y'all, man, get your wears out of them while you can. And of course, you got your blue and black carbon fiber plate white Jumpman and your 2 black positive bottom. But nonetheless, this is a perfectly executed rendition, retro of the Legend Blues, in my opinion, from Jordan Brand. I gotta take my hats off. Even though I ain't got one on, I gotta take my hats off to Jordan Brand. And then on the back, of course, you do got your 2-3. It's not stitched in. It's like one of your screen printed 2-3s in the back. So over time, this will peel and crack off. And then transition over to your Legend Blue Jumpman, looking nice, looking crispy. And then, like I said, I don't think Jordan Brand could have executed these any better because not a lot of factory flaw issues. I'm pretty sure, as time goes along, once we get to the release date and pairs start getting all around the market, we'll start seeing a couple, onesies and twosies of pairs messed up. But hey, man, I got 2 pairs and both of mine are in A1 condition. So now we finished kind of like breaking down the sneaker. I want you guys to let me know down below in the comment section if you will be securing a pair of the Air Jordan 11 Legend Blues, my sneaker of the year. I thought it was the military blues, but nah, bruh, I needed these. It's been a long time coming for me to actually add these back in the collection. Again, I'm super excited that they did come back out. This is my sneaker of the year, man. But again, if you guys did enjoy today's review, make sure you like this video, subscribe to the channel if you are new, hit the notification bell so you don't miss out on any content. And I got something real early coming to you guys very, very soon. Just waiting for that package to get dropped off. We're gonna break them down. We're gonna chop it up about them. But I feel like the focal point around this week and next week is gonna be these Legend Blues. So I had to drop this full review and on feet for you guys with some dope, crispy B-roll, man. I love y'all. I appreciate y'all. When all this being said, man, your boy DaVintage. Gonna catch you guys in next video, man. Peace.